Name Shiva. Rule number H5. Branch EC. Subject analog and pulse circuit. Topic X band power amplifier for next generation networks based on MESFET. Advanced wireless standards of communication like 3GPP and LTI are becoming more and more efficient, and with this evolution of communication system, mobile equivalent is also become smaller and smaller. Power amplifier design has become a very crucial task in this era where efficiency and size are the main concern of many designers. In this paper, we have designed and analyzed X-band class E metal semiconductor field effective transistor based power amplifier. The device with use OFDM techniques to improve other spectral efficiency for the next generation communication system. Microstrips lines are used to achieve small size for our design instead of lumped components. Load pull measurements are used to get MESFET input and output impedance optimum values for a linear and non-linear operation. Small signal mathematical model of design is used to reduce the thermal loss. FR for substrate is used to increase PA efficiency. Our design shows small values of inputs and outputs return loss of about 22.3 dB and minus 22.3 dB and minus 23.716 dB, achieving a high gain of about 25.6 dB respectively, with PAE of about 35% of having stability factor greater than 1 and 21.894 dBm of output power. Next generation network. The next generation network is a body of key architectural changes, telecommunication core and access network. The general ideas behind the NGN is that one network transport all information and service, voice data and all sort of media such as a video by encapsulating this into IP packets similar to those used on the internet. NGNs are commonly built around the internet protocol, and therefore the term of all IP is also sometimes used to describe the transformation of formerly telephone center network towards NGN call. Eligibility and resilience requirement of future secular network may not be fully satisfied by terrestrial base station. In case of unexpected or temporary events, a promising solution is assisting the cellular network via low altitude unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with the base station drone cells. Although drone cells provide a quick development opportunity as aerial base station, efficient placement becomes one of the key issues. In addition to mobility of the drone cells in the vertical dimension as well as the horizontal dimension, the difference between the area to ground and terrestrial channel cause the placement of drone cell to diverge from placement of terrestrial base station in the paper. We first highlight the properties of drone cell placement problem and formulate it has 3D placement problem with the objective of maximum the revenue of network. After some mathematical manipulation, we formulate an equivalently quadrilateral constant mixed integer nonlinear optimization problem and propose a computationally efficient numerical solution of this problem. We verify our analytical derivation with numerical simulation and enrich them with a discussion which could serve as a guidelines for a research mobile network operator and policymaker. Cellular system of fourth generation have been optimized to provide high data rates need and coverage to mobile users. Cellular system of the next generation will face more diverse application requirement. The denamed higher data rates exceed 4G capability, battery driven communication sensors, and need ultra power consumption and control. Application require very short response times. Primarily based technology that preserve the excellent spectral properties of the waveform, bit error rate, performance for channel coded GFDM transformation using iterative recursive. Relevant applications in area unsuitable GFDM proof of concept and implementation aspects of the prototype using hardware platform available today. In summary, the flexible nature of GFDM makes this waveform a suitable candidate for a future 5G network. Over the last 3 decades, the prevailing views of information technology strategy has been that is functional level energy that must be elegant with the firm choose business strategy. Even with this so-called elegant view bus business strategy, direct IT strategy during the last decade, the business infrastructure has become a digital with increased interconnection among products, processes, and services across many frames spanning different industries and sectors. Digital technology is viewed as a combination of information, computing, communication, and connective technologies are fundamentally transforming business strategies, business processing from capability, product, and service key in terms of relationships and extending business works. After elaborating on each of these four themes, we discuss the success metrics and potential performance implication from pursuing a digital business strategy. We also show how the papers in the special issues shed light on digital strategies after direction to advance insights and shape of future research. Gigabit classes passive optical networks have been standardized and are now being delayed. This article presents possible migration scenario towards the next generation of PON and purpose of a technology roadmap of evolution growth. Revolution changes. This article the details the generally requirements for NGPON to support various popular applications. Many services provide express interest and as well as possible to enable smooth migration for the previously proposed solution based on different layers are reviewed and their comparisons are given. A new wireless network architecture forum of recently and related open research issues as deserved. What are they? Gas. How do they work? Gas. Why do they work? Gas. Selected out from that. Thank you for giving this topic. X-band power amplifier for next generation network based on MESFET. MESFET meaning MESFET full form metal semiconductor field effective transistor based on power amplifier.